Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. Here's what we're tracking over the next several days. Sunny sky tomorrow, but it's going to be a windy day coming up, especially the first half of the day. Then there's a chance for a couple of rain showers Thursday night. It's going to be warm enough, it's going to be just rain. Then as we get into the weekend, got a lot of stuff going on here. Chance of rain looking pretty decent right now here for Saturday. And that does go into Saturday night as some colder air moves in. Timing is the moisture going to be there by the time the colder air moves in, or is the moisture going to be gone by the time that cold air moves in? Because that has an impact on whether this shows up. Chance for a little bit of light snow. There will be some windy conditions on the backside of that system. That'll be here during the day on Sunday. So as for the peak wind gusts here for the day on Tuesday, 30-35 miles per hour. Same thing will happen during the day tomorrow, but mainly in the first half of the day. Cold front will pass by during the overnight hours, mainly about midnight or so, roughly there. It's a southwest wind changes to the northwest. This is by 3 o'clock in the morning. By 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, it's already windy, and it's going to stay windy throughout the day. Here's lunchtime, and the wind is starting to die down a little bit, and even more so come 3 o'clock, but then really starting to drop off as soon as the sun goes down. So peak wind gusts similar tomorrow as it was today. Now, as for the temperatures, it'll be a chilly one. Temperatures will be in the 40s, but that's still above normal. That wind will make it feel even colder though. And then daytime highs cooler than what we had today, because we had 60s to near 70 in some locations today. Tomorrow will be 50s to near 60 degrees. Now, futurecast, clear sky overnight. During the start of the day tomorrow, maybe just a couple of clouds, that's about it. Otherwise, sunshine throughout the entire day. During the overnight hours tomorrow night, clear sky until late. That's when we'll start to see clouds move into the picture. And then here we are Thursday morning. Some sun, some clouds. Clouds quickly thicken up through the morning hours, and then cloudy sky throughout the afternoon, even into the overnight hours. That's when we may see a couple of spotty little showers. That's about it. A lot of places right now look to be dry, and then we're back to some sunshine as we head into the day on Friday. Saturday, though, that's a different story. Cloudy sky in the morning and throughout the day. There's the area of low pressure that we're tracking. That'll bring a chance for some rain into the picture here as we get into the day on Saturday, especially in the afternoon into the evening hours. That moves on by, still warm enough that it's going to be rain here through the evening. Then the question is, how fast does the rain move out of the area, or the moisture move out of the area before the cold air moves on in? Well, there could be a couple of snow showers in there during the overnight hours as we get closer towards midnight. At this point, it doesn't look like a big deal. Maybe a couple of snow showers in there, and then it's dry as the storm system moves away. And then there's your real cold air as we get into Sunday and Monday. All right, here are the numbers for tomorrow morning. We'll drop down into the 40s. That's above our normal low temperature of 32, so not as cool as it was this morning. Yes, we're looking at the temperatures down this morning. It'll be Tuesday morning in the 30s. Now, as for the daytime highs tomorrow, not too bad. A little cooler than what we had today, but above normal, 50s, and then that gusty winds. Clouds on Thursday, again, maybe a little sunshine early. 50s for highs. Dry day coming up on Friday. Temperatures in the 50s. Here's your 7-day forecast. We got dry conditions here on Friday. Temperatures again in the 50s. Here's your rain. This will be mainly afternoon. It looks like timing at this point into the overnight hours. The question is, how cold is that, or how fast is that cold air in before the moisture moves out? Right now, it looks like there is a chance for a couple of snow showers. A possibility. Now, as for Sunday, it's going to be a cold day. Temperatures only in the 30s. That's going to be a bit on the windy side. It's also going to be a bit windy here in the morning. Temperatures in the 30s to about 40 on Monday. And as we head into the day on Tuesday, temperatures will be into the middle 40s. And then temperatures after that start to warm up even more as we get towards the end of the week.